going on, everyone? We got a 2022 Nissan Pathfinder today. We are replacing the cabin air filter. It's located behind the glove box here. So your first step is going to be to disconnect this glove box damper here. Just grab it with your fingers if you can and unclip it, okay? Now, the glove box has these stoppers right here on both sides to stop the glove box from opening up too far. I'm just going to push the glove box in both sides. Doors. This is a lot easier with two hands because you can do it at the same time. Me, I'm going to have to go back and forth because I'm holding the phone. Once you get that down, we have this right here. This is where the cabin filter is located. We're going to take this door off by pushing this tab in, pulling towards us. You can see how the other side goes into the slot right there. Pull this out. Alright, so we have a premium filter here. If you look, this one's a little bit better than the factory one. It's got some charcoal in it, which helps with odors. If you want to get one, I'll have a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you can get one. They're fairly cheap there, so check that out. I have it in the comment box too. But if you look on the sides here, you have arrows. These are airflow direction arrows, and it's always going to be down. So, get this guy. Get in here, so just like that. You can see the arrows pointing down, or airflow down. This guy left side first. Just clip this back on. A little tricky there. Just make sure you got it on there good. Let me just close the glove box. Put this back up. And we're all done. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you would subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Would really appreciate that.